Ned Flemkin. You have been sitting in the house for 2 days playing those fucking video games. And I'm sick of it. You need to put that shitty video game off and go outside and find something to do. Now.
Okay, Mom, I'll go outside. I don't know what I'll do out there, but okay, I'll go outside. So here I am, out in the backyard with nothing to do. Man, is this boring. Wait, I know, maybe I can go next door and play with the dog. Oh shit, I just stepped into a big pile of dog shit. Now what the fuck am I supposed to do? I'll try to wipe it off the grass. Hey Mom, I'm done outside. Can I come back inside?
Yes, sure. I guess you can come back in.
5 minutes later.
Ned. Thomas. Flemkin. What is that smell? What smells so bad? Oh. My. God. That smells in here as well, and it is worse than it was in the kitchen. Ned Flemkin. What the fuck is that horrible smell I smell? Ned Flemkin. It smells like dog shit. Did you step in dog shit outside? Wow! You didn't clean it all off. You trapped dog shit in the house and walked through the house. And got dog shit all over the carpet. Oops. Sorry. That's all you can say. Take those dog shit covered shoes off, take them outside, and start cleaning up wherever you tracked dog shit into the house.
Calm down.
No, Ned Flemkin. I will not calm down. You got dog shit all over the house. And it is so fucking disgusting.
Okay, I'll start cleaning.
You're goddamn right. You'll start cleaning up the dog shit. As soon as you're done cleaning, you will be grounded for 120 weeks and go up to your room and turn off your video game.